How to use mobile check deposit in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, download and open the official Fifth Third Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Next, log into your account using your user ID and password or biometric login if enabled. Then, find and tap on the deposit or mobile deposit option in the app menu. After that, select the account where you want to deposit the check. Carefully take clear photos of the front and back of the endorsed check as instructed by the app. Enter the check amount and confirm the details before submitting your deposit. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message that your deposit is being processed. Keep the physical check safe until the deposit clears, usually within 1 or 2 business days. If you face any issues, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer service for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to use mobile check deposit in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.